Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine at your home. I am Sanjay Chandra Jha, your computer teacher. In the previous video, we have learnt about first, need of an operating system, second, operating system, third, what is Windows, fourth, versions of Windows, and fifth, components of Windows. In this video, we will learn about first, files, second, creating a file in MS Word, third, folder, fourth, creating a folder, fifth, opening a file or folder, sixth, list of shortcut key to the particular activity. Dear students, what is file? A file is a collection of interrelated information. Every file has a unique file name that helps to find when we need it. Generally, we create a file by using application software such as MS Word. How can you create a file in MS Word? For creating a file in MS Word, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs option. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office option. Step 4. Click on Microsoft Office Word 2007 option. A blank page is displayed. Step 5. Start typing text on this blank page. Step number 6. After finishing the work, save it using Office button, Save option, and assign a file name in the Save As dialog box. This process creates a new file in the computer. Move to the next topic, folder. What is a folder? A folder is the place where relevant files are stored in the computer memory. A folder can hold other folders also. A folder inside another folder is called a subfolder. Move to our next topic, creating a folder. Steps to create a folder in the screen of desktop. We follow these steps to create a folder in the screen of your desktop. Step 1. Click the right mouse button once in any blank area on the desktop. Step number 2. Select New option. Step number 3. Click on the folder option. A new folder is now created that appears on the desktop. Step number 4. Type the name of the folder at the position of the cursor and press the enter key. This process creates a new folder. Move to our next topic, opening a file or folder. Steps to open a file or folder in the screen of desktop. We follow these steps to open a file or folder in the screen of desktop. Step number 1. Move the mouse pointer to the desired file or folder that has to be opened. Step number 2. Now double click on this selected file or folder. This file or folder will open. List of shortcut key to the particular activity. Ctrl+N is used to create a new file in MS Word. Ctrl+O is used to open an existing file in MS Word. Ctrl+S is used to save the new or existing file in MS Word. Del is used to delete files or folders temporarily. Shift+Del is used to delete files or folders permanently. Dear students, at the end of video, we have learned about files, creating a file in MS Word, folder, creating a folder, opening a file or folder, list of shortcut key to the particular activity. Dear students, let's start our next chapter, Formatting Text in MS Paint, Chapter 5. In this video, we will learn about number 1 MS Paint, number 2 features of MS Paint, number 3 starting MS Paint, number 4 different tools on the ribbon, number 5 text tool, number 6 how to use text tool in MS Paint, number 7 what can you do with the text toolbar in MS Paint, number 8 various options or parts of the text toolbar. What is MS Paint? MS Paint is a drawing program used for drawing objects and shapes. MS Paint is a graphics application software. What are the features of MS Paint? The following are the features of MS Paint. First feature, MS Paint can be used for drawing, editing, coloring and printing the pictures. Second feature, MS Paint allows us to view and edit pictures that have been scanned. Third feature, MS Paint helps user to draw colorful pictures and save as bitmap file. How can you start MS Paint? For this, you have to follow these steps. Step number 1, click on Start button of Windows. Step number 2, click on All Programs. Step number 3, click on Accessories option. Step number 4, click on Paint option. After clicking on Paint option, the following screen appears, which is MS Paint screen. It tells that now you can work with MS Paint. Move to our next topic, ribbon and different tools on the ribbon. What is ribbon bar? The most commonly used commands in Paint are present in this ribbon bar. All tools, shapes, color palettes and many more commands are grouped together in this ribbon bar. This ribbon bar is located at the bottom of the title bar. The picture of different tools on the ribbon are shown here. Let's have a look on some important different parts of toolbar for working in Paint. First tool, that is Select tool. Select tool is used to select complete part of the picture. Second, Pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw free-form line. Third, Fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to fill color. Fourth, Text tool. Text tool is used to insert text into the picture. Fifth, Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase a part of the picture. Sixth, Magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to enlarge the view for a part of the picture. Seventh, Color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to pick a color from the picture and use it for drawing. Eighth, Brushes tool. Brushes tool is used to draw with different kinds of brushes. Ninth, Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw different kinds of brushes. Move to next topic, Text tool in MS Paint. What is text tool in MS Paint? The text tool is a tool of toolbar in MS Paint. This text tool is used to position and enter text into your image or picture. This text tool helps us to change the look of the text in the text box. What are the steps to use the text tool in MS Paint? Step 1. Click on the text tool in MS Paint. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. the pointer will change to a cross sign. Step number 3. Click and drag the mouse to the desired place in the drawing area where you want to insert text. One dotted rectangle will appear. It is called text box. The text we type will appear within this box. Move to the next topic. What can you do with the text tool in MS Paint? You can do various kinds of work with text tool on text box in the drawing area of MS Paint. Number 1. Typing text in color. Number 2. Changing the background color of a text box. Number 3. Moving a text box. Number 4. Changing the width of a text box. Number 5. Changing the height of the text box. Number 6. Changing both width and height together in drawing area of the MS Paint. Number 7. Viewing the text toolbar. First, typing text in color. What are the steps to type text in drawing area of MS Paint? Following are the steps to type text in drawing area of MS Paint. Step number 1. Click the text tool. Step number 2. Click on any color in the color box. Step number 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Step number 4. Click and drag the mouse where you want to insert text. Text box will appear. Step number 5. Type anything using the keyboard. Second, changing the background color of a text box. What are the steps to change the background color of a text box? Following are the steps to change the background color of a text box. Step number 1. Click the text tool. Step number 2. Right click on any color in the color box. Step number 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Step number 4. Click and drag to create a text box with the selected background color. Moving a text box. What is moving a text box? Moving a text box means to change the location of text box in MS Paint. What are the steps to move a text box in MS Paint? Following are the steps to move a text box in MS Paint. Step number 1. Move the mouse pointer to the boundary of the text box. Step number 2. When the mouse pointer changes to an arrow, drag the text box to a new location in the drawing area. Next, changing the width of a text box in MS Paint. To fit the text inside the width of the text box in the drawing area, we can resize the width of the text box. Steps to resize the width of the text box in the drawing area of MS Paint. Step number 1. Move the mouse pointer to the dots in the left and the right boundaries of the text box. Step number 2. Drag the mouse away from the text box to increase the width. Drag it inwards to decrease the width. Move to next. Changing the height of the text box. To fit the text inside the text box, we can resize the height of the text box in the drawing area. Steps to resize the height of the text box in the drawing area of MS Paint. Step number 1. Move the mouse pointer to the blue dots on the top and the bottom boundaries of the text box. Step number 2. The mouse pointer changes to a double-headed arrow. Step number 3. Drag the mouse away from the text box to increase the height. Drag it inwards to decrease the height. Move to the next topic. Changing both width and height of the text box. To fit the text inside the text box, we can resize the width and height of the text box together in the drawing area. What are the steps to resize the width and height of the text box in the drawing area of MS Paint? Following are the steps to resize the width and height of the text box in the drawing area of MS Paint. Step number 1. Move the mouse pointer to the blue dots on at the corners of the text box. Step number 2. The mouse pointer changes to a double-headed arrow. Step number 3. Drag the mouse away from the text box to increase the size. Drag it inwards to decrease the size. Move to the next topic. Viewing the text toolbar. The text toolbar appears automatically along with the text box. If this does not happen, you can view the text toolbar through the View menu. To view the text toolbar, follow the given steps. Step number 1. With the help of a text tool, insert a text box in the drawing area. Step number 2. The text menu appears automatically on the MS Paint ribbon. Or step 1. Right click within the text box. Step number 2. Select the text toolbar option. Move to the next topic. Various options or parts of the text toolbar in MS Paint. There are various options or parts of the text toolbar in MS Paint. Number 1. Font name. Number 2. Font size. Number 3. Italic. Number 4. Bold. Number 5. Underline. The various options or parts of the text toolbar of MS Paint are shown in the given below picture. Here you get easily recognized font name box, font size box, bold, italic, underline button, color box button, text box and drawing area. Now let's discuss one by one all 5 options or parts of the text toolbar of MS Paint. First option, that is font name option. The text can be written in a number of different styles is called a font. Every font has a name of its own. There are different types of fonts available. Example, Arial, Times New Roman, etc. Font name option is present on the left side of the text toolbar. You can select any one of the fonts like Calibri, Arial, Times New Roman, ITC Bookman, etc. in the drop-down list by simply clicking or selecting on the font name. Second option, font size option. Font size option is present next to the font name box. You can type the desired font size in the font size box. You can also select the font size from a drop-down list by clicking on the arrow next to the box. Third option, italic option or button. You can select italic option by clicking the button marked I. When you click on the button marked I, then this italic option writes the text in italics or slanted upward to the right in the text box. Fourth option, bold option. You can select bold option by clicking the button marked B. When you click on button marked B, then bold option writes a prominently darkened text in the text box. The last option is underline option. You can select underline option by clicking the button marked U. When you click on the button marked U, this underline option underlines the text in the text box. Dear students, at the end of video, we have learned about number 1 MS Paint, number 2 features of MS Paint, number 3 starting MS Paint, number 4 different tools on the ribbon, number 5 text tool, number 6 how to use text tool in MS Paint, number 7 what can you do with the text toolbar in MS Paint, number 8 various options or parts of the text toolbar in MS Paint. Dear students, thank you for watching video. Stay at home, be safe, bye.